you single?
No, I have a boyfriend, but I'm still ready to mingle.
Oh no, I said where is the Pringle?
Oh, over there.
Thank you.
Just do you want my number though?
Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Do you wanna fight?
Nah, sorry.
Oh no. I meant do you want a Sprite?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You wanna make out?
Yeah. Can I grab your number?
Oh no. I said where can I get cash out?
Oh, what?
Can you fart on your hand? Oh no. I meant where can I find sand?
Oh, shit. I'm just down there.
Thanks.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought you were my ex.
That's my only pair.
Actually, just got you these brand new AirPods.
Oh my god. I wish you were my ex.
No. Can I have a kiss? Oh no. I said where I can take a piss.
Oh, the toilet's over there. Oh, there.
Did you just cut my earphone?
Oh hey, my name is Shax. I really like you. You're really pretty. Can I get your Instagram?
Why did you just do that?
I just wanted to approach you in a different way.
You just cut my earphones.
Yeah.
These are my only pair.
Actually, I'm just kidding. I just got you these brand new AirPods.
Thank you. Okay, you can have my Instagram.
Yo, how can I make your day?
I just got bullied by my friends, so I was gonna go home.
Oh, can I make your day?
Yeah.
Let's go. Are you single and ready to mingle?
Yeah, do you want my Instagram?
Sorry, I was just talking to my girlfriend.
Oh.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I wouldn't mind having one though.
Sorry, what did you say? I was talking to someone else. I told my friends that I have like a girlfriend, but I don't, and they are asking me to like send a Snapchat story. I was just wondering if you could be in my Snapchat story.
I can do that.
Yeah? Yo, bro, here with my girlfriend. We're on our first date together, and we're really enjoying a lot. Now we're gonna kiss. Are you single?
Hey, bro, that's my boyfriend.
That's your boyfriend.
Sorry, my girlfriend.
Oh, just hit me up when you're single and ready to mingle
Yeah,
again.
what's
you
your
know?
number?
I'll give you my number. Can you shave my pubes?
No.
No, I said, how long is the queue?
How long is the queue?
Yeah. Do you wanna go on a date?
Oh, I've got a boyfriend, but I'll dump him for you.
Oh no, I said, have you seen my mate?
Oh, I haven't seen him. I thought you said something else.
Oh no, it's alright. Have a good one.